Hello kids, good morning. How are you? Welcome to the t-shirt printing workshop. Okay, today we're going to work with a white or an old t-shirt, a t-shirt you don't use anymore, and a t-shirt you can draw on. Okay, to do the workshop, first of all, we need something to protect the table we're working on. Okay, and in this case, I have used rolling paper, but you can use, if you want, newspapers, okay, to protect your table. All right, excellent. Okay, then obviously you need a white t-shirt or an old t-shirt to draw on. Okay, and then you also need painting. Okay, the best way to work on clothes is acrylic painting, but I'm not using acrylic painting because I don't have them. Okay, so instead I'm using poster painting, plastic painting. All right, excellent. So obviously you also need some brushes to draw, to paint. Okay, and if you want, you can use markers as well. Okay, regular markers, different colors. Yes, it's up to you. The painting, the markers, anything you want to work with. Okay, so that's great. Then here I've got some sentences. Let me show them to you. I've got here some sentences we can use. Okay, for example, the first one, it says finish strong, and you draw a strong arm. All right, or every day matters, and then you draw a calendar. Right, or you can say stay still, and you draw a strong person. Or you can write bye bye Maria Moliner. This is for year 6 students because you're moving to secondary school next year. Right, and then you draw a hand waving the goodbye, bye bye. Okay, or we can write on our way to success, and you draw a podium from the Olympics or from races. Okay, a podium. Then you can say as well starting a new path. This is special as well for year 6 students because you are starting a new path next year. You finish primary school and you move into secondary school. Okay, that's a new path on your education. Or you can draw a rock, saying I rock. Okay, or you can draw a finish line, drawing a finish line on a race. Or you can write hello summer, goodbye school, and you draw a sun for summer. Okay, or then you can say bye for now, see you next year, and then you draw a swimming pool. Or you can say summer calling, I must go, and you draw a mobile phone. All right. Or the last idea I can with, okay, is bye school, I'm out, and you draw a broken pencil. All right. So these are some ideas. You have them as well on your plannings and on Class Dojo. Okay, and you only have to draw something like that or any other idea you came up with. Okay, it's not compulsory to use any of these ones. If you've got your own idea, that's great for me. All right, great. So for the moment we need the t-shirt. Okay, in my case, as this workshop is for year 5 and for year 6 students, I'm going to draw a sentence, an idea, and a drawing as well on one side of the t-shirt for year 5 and on the other side of the t-shirt for year 6. Okay, great. Okay, I show you the result of my t-shirt in a while. Okay, give me a second. I hope you're working good. I forgot to say, you also need a gun to put on, okay? Not to avoid, well, this is not my size, I can't put it on, okay? But You need a gun to protect your clothes, okay? Cool. It's also very important to protect the t-shirt, the sizes, okay, this side and the other side. To protect them, it's a good idea to put some newspaper in between, okay? So you open the t-shirt, okay? You take some paper and you introduce it right in the middle, okay? Because if you don't do this, the painting you use on one side of the t-shirt can go through the other side of the t-shirt. Be careful, we don't want to mix sides of the t-shirt, okay? So that's why I'm putting some newspaper in between. Now that I've got the newspaper in between, inside the t-shirt, okay, I'm going to use a black marker to draw the letters of the sentence, of the idea I want to stamp on my t-shirt, okay? For example, I'm going to choose everyday matters and I will draw a calendar, okay? So with graffiti letters, okay, I'm going to write everyday matters and then the inside of the graffiti title of the graffiti sentence, I will color it with different painting colors, okay? Great, I show you the result. Okay, so this is my graffiti letters, this is my drawing. Now, with the color painting, I only have to color all this, the inside part of the letters, okay? Everyday matters. Ho, ho. And then the calendar down here, all right? Good, good, good. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so I've just finished, and this is my final product. Everyday matters and a calendar, okay? Yes. So when you finish this, okay, and you meet your schoolmates, all the members of your class, you can give it to them and they can sign it off. Okay, for example, Alejandro Escolano, or Oriol Cerveto, or Robert Rednich. Okay, they can sign off your t-shirt. Yes, and then you got a t-shirt to go to the swimming pool, to go running, to sleep, or to any other purpose you want. Okay, I hope you like it. All right, every day matters. Yes, I hope you like it, and I want to see your t-shirts. Bye bye, happy summer. Good luck at secondary school for year 6 students. It's been a pleasure to be teaching you. Okay, year 5 students. See you next year. Bye bye. Happy summer.